Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix private browsing not showing up on Android. Now what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the phone settings on the Android device. So firstly you will have to open the phone settings and you have to scroll down to find app management. In the app management you will have to search for Google Chrome browser. So I will using Google Chrome browser. If you have another, so you will just search for this. So I will just click to the Google Chrome browser. So when it's open you will see there is the storage usage, so you will just click to the storage usage and you will just clear the cache. So now you will have to open the Google Chrome and you will use the private browsing. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.